guys, so right now we are going to go outside, well basically outside of our campus, and it is a barbecue brawl out, whatever they're doing, but it's gonna be a lot of food. So we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna go see what it's about because I'm hungry and I just got out of my class. So yes, let me show you campus life. Thank you. Hi, Mommy. This is my plate right now. I switched my seat. It's getting hot.
And the winner of the People's Choice Award is St. John's University Chef Josh. The winner of chicken with a total score of 184 points was the team of Quinnipiac and Trinity. Nice job, guys. The winning team for side dish with a total score of 179. St. John's University, Chef Josh.
Wow. You guys, it was so fun and lit out there just now. I thoroughly enjoyed myself. This is what college life is about. This is what St. John's life is about. If you're thinking about coming here, if you're thinking about committing, there's your little dose of, ooh, I like that. Definitely. This could be your springtime cookout. Hello? And then when you guys come to see me, come and find me, I'll pull up. So what's up, Heavenlies? Today is a Saturday and it is 5 a.m. Today we are going to Sight and Sound. So it's gonna be a whole Sight and Sound trip, really by You Are Champion Empowerment Network. So we are going on the Sight and Sound trip. We know that this is like an annual trip my mom does like every year. So I'm so excited. We're going to see Noah. So yes, Noah's Ark. I do have a missing nail, so if you see this throughout the video, just don't judge me. That's life. We got the girls on swim right now. We don't know if it's going to be swim all day long, but it's okay. We're still looking beat to death. We just got a couple of clips in still, and I'm waiting to get picked up. But today's going to be a whole fiasco. It's going to be a whole trip. You guys are going to see what it's like to be a champion for a day, if you're not already. So yeah, let's head on a trip. It's also 90% chance of rain today. So we love that for us. Oh no! We're outside! We're outside! Everybody good? Yeah!
up again. You fall down sometimes, get back up again. Yes, we do. Rise back up again.
My friend, I never thought a little bird would make me so excited.
Fly, my friend. Bring us another sign.
What's up, you guys? So we're on our way to go see about this nail spot near my school. We just got out of class, hence the backpack. We're going to see about this nail shop because we need our nails done real bad. So yeah. What's up, you guys? So we are outside. Today's Stromin Loud and we are having a blast. We're gonna be outside today. Look what's going on. He's here. We got vendors and stuff. You guys are gonna see. But we're outside looking cute. This is the outfit. Amiri socks and my little leopard shoes. So yes.
Then we got two. I'm like my cool, but they're doing this. Show me. John, head to the sky, y'all. Head to the sky.
You just do right. Hello?
Yo, Layla, where you at right now?
Oh, I'm just at St. John's, you know, performing. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, you can hear them. They're pretty
Shout out to
lit,
St.
yeah.
John's or what?
Not my problem. That's just not my problem. Not my problem.
Ain't one of them ones I'm already knowing. That's why I look them inside of their eyes whenever they lie, 'cause I know where it's going. Hold on, Johnny, hold on, Johnny. I don't know.
Oh my God.
This left side rocking, Johnny. Left side rocking, Johnny.
What's up, heavenlies? So this is the end of the vlog. I'm so happy. I had so much fun. Literally my happiest moments just summed up in a week. Like, this is really my week recap. This is really a week vlog for y'all. I had so much fun. It was so pure intent, and this is some more SJU St. John's University fun for y'all. Y'all think we not turned up over here? We are definitely turned up. We're about the books and we are about turning up. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you had a wonderful time watching. To all the maybe considering St. John's University who have been reaching out to me, definitely consider it because it's very comfortable and beautiful over here. SJU is where it's at. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do it right now. I'm Heaven Layla, and I will see you guys back with another one. Peace.
I need you in the morning.